Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm going to start a series on ideas, tips of how you can improve your shortwave reception. And this first one is one that may be obvious to a lot of people. I tend to overlook it. And let me turn this back on. Okay, this is, I believe, the Adventist World Radio out of Madagascar. And it's, what time is it? It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Pretty strong signal, but there's something right on the top of it. Let me zoom in here. And see, there's a couple of signals here. And one thing, and look at, this is the present bandwidth that this radio is set up to. So it's capturing all three of these signals. And the one I think I want to listen to is this one right here. So one of the things you can do, and I'll show you how to do it in this program, SDR Sharp++. And then also there probably, if you're using just a standard radio, there's probably a switch on your radio to do this too, and it's called bandwidth. Change the bandwidth, how much you're letting come through at one time. So here, let me turn the audio back on and I'll show you what happens. Okay, we got that data coming through. And I'm not tuned exactly right. I should be over here. So let's move up one little notch. Now we're on there, but we still got this data. So we can grab this right here and bring it in and listen. The interference here is gone because I changed the bandwidth and said, okay, only let the receiver receive this much of the band. And like I say, you can do this on your regular standard radio. It's very easy to do here on your SDR. And it's totally variable, where on your radio you might have just a couple of settings on bandwidth. And you can select that. Now, what will happen though is the spectrum that you'll be getting will be narrowed down too. So if you're trying to listen to music, you could lose some of the highs and lows of the music that's coming through. But if you're just listening to someone talking, then it's not as bad. So that's just a tip. If you have other tips you'd like to provide, like I say, I'm going to do a series on these of ways you can improve your shortwave reception. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would be a nice thing to do. And have a great day. Bye-bye.